Hello, everybody. Welcome back to AI Finder Africa, your number one platform for discovering powerful AI tools across different industries. And today, we will be exploring Planit Teachers AI, a smart solution built to take the stress out of lesson planning and help teachers save time while still delivering engaging lessons. Let me walk you through how to use it under AI Finder Africa. Firstly, you'll go to your Google or your Chrome and search for aifinder.africa. And here we are. All you need to do is scroll down page and go to education. A lot of beautiful AI tools are here. We're going directly because we're exploring Planit Teacher AI today. I'm going directly to Planit Teachers AI. And here we are. Let's get right into it. Number two, you create an account with this platform. Now we are into the platform. Lesson plan, resources, lesson pack. So let's get started. Let's set up a lesson plan. By clicking on get started, so yes, what topic are you teaching? But specific about your lesson. Let's say we are teaching periodic table. Number two, enter any additional learning requirements or education. The first 20, all the first 20 elements. What range are you teaching? Let's say it's a 12. And here you can add more resources to this lesson plan you're about to generate. So let's go ahead and generate the lesson plan. Right here is still generating. Now it is ready. Let's see. Wow. Within a second, Planit Teacher AI create a full lesson plan for you. And this includes a clear lesson objective, a step-by-step breakdown of teaching activity, a suggested resources and material, even assessment to measure student understanding. Wow, this is a whole lot. We save a lot of time because when we knew back then, our teacher takes time to write out every of their lesson plan right out of the textbooks. And here we are, Planit AI make it more easy because within seconds, they have all their lesson plan well planned and beautiful. And the amazing part of this, that you can edit every lesson plan generated, edit it, remove what you don't want, and add what you want. And here, copy all your lesson notes. You can share, you can improve, you can expand, you can collapse. Once you're satisfied with the plan, you can go ahead and download as a document or keep it saved in your account for future use. That means you will always have your lesson material ready, whether you're teaching in person or online. That is how Planit Teachers AI helps educators reduce stress, save hours of planning time, and focus more on what matters most, teaching and engaging students. If you're a teacher looking for smarter, faster, and more effective way to plan, this tool is definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching this walkthrough here on AI Finder. Don't forget to stay tuned as we'll continue to showcase AI tools making a real difference in education, business, and beyond. See you in the next video.